Where can I park? My bike. Number 5. Was already in first gear, dipshit. There goes my truck. Yeah. Alright. She at? Right down the street. Oh yeah? I was just about to tell him I got an Uber Eats order for Angie. No, I did it at the kiosk.
Oh, you went inside?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Where'd you park at?
At home. Alright, mate. Let me put my glasses on. Before I drop my glasses. Yeah. Doing it the retarded way. There we go. I felt it up exactly. Oh, I'm dropping the key. Be alright. It's not like 269. Oh, 289. Okay. I don't need a receipt. Put this on. And then it's time to go. It's time to roll. Hey. Yeah. Alright. Am I still recording? I think I recorded all that. Yeah, bit. So, mission complete. McDonald's delivery successful. Hiya! coming down this road. It's because of that. It's so fun. I wish I knew more roads like that. I had that on this whole entire time, bro. I'm tripping. We're not doing it. I could have done it, but I'm not doing it. That was too scary. I saw my life flash before my eyes. Thought I was going to die. Hey, there goes my job again. Imagine getting some decent looks today, man. You know, you see me on the bottom. You know, on the bottom. What the fuck is this guy doing? Doing my hooligan shenanigans with the Guam, that's what. Nice little chopper. Chopper. And you feeling it feels so cool, man. Can't help it. You know, I'm probably gonna bust my ass, but at least I look cool doing it, huh? Yeah, sound like a retard. Come on, Amazon Music, why are you playing me more bangers? I challenged Amazon and it delivered. Yeah, I don't know the words, if you couldn't tell. Shit, my guy. Bang bang. Oh, I wasn't putting it in neutral, so I would have to hold the clutch in. Hold the clutch. But it's about to change. My life is about to change. At this right, me. Fuck, I'm going. Oh, Goblin, man. I feel like I should be giving like the e-bike riders 2 fingers down too, man. Like they're on 2 wheels, you know. So, you know, just 2 wheels to the ground, man. Keep it safe. Keep it simple. Is that KIS? Keep it safe and simple. Or KIS. Keep it simply safe. Right, where is that from? Simply Safe. Is that an insurance company? Simply Safe? I can't think of it right now. It's not coming to my mind. Need to fix my glasses. They're sliding off my face. You know, most people say KIS, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. You know? Keep it simply safe. Duh. You know? Come on, man. Like, you gotta be safe. So I'm gonna start telling people, my fellow brethren, bikers, KISS, bro. KISS. Keep it simply safe. Right? Or keep it seriously safe. You want to be on the edge. You want to be edgy. Keep it seriously safe. Or, what else? What else can I say? What else? You know, keep it safe, sexy. There we go. That's it. Keep it safe, sexy. Jesus. Whoops. Oh, whoops. I went to Goblin mode. Dungeons and Dragons, D&D for short, and I don't know many DMs, so I have taken the task of trying to DM, and for whatever reason, the one voice that sticks with me are my Goblin voices. I don't know, it's just that, like, just the fucking goofiness of how I think a goblin sounds like, why? I don't know, like, which is, I think, very, like, weird, because, if I'm not mistaken, goblins in Dungeons and Dragons are actually pretty intelligent creatures, and I always just give them the silliest voice, and like, it just, I don't know, it's just so, it's fun to be a goblin, like, to think about a little mixture of God damn it, I'm having a seizure, mischievous, little creature, you know? Oh, what was that? That did not feel good. I think I'm gonna title this ride along, the Goblin ride. I think you guys mainly got the Goblin to skip this ride. I think the Goblin and me came out majority of this ride. I'm gonna have to rewatch and see what percentage the Goblin was riding and where it was just me. Goblin! That's goofy. Yeah, and I'll fucking do it again. Damn, who's blasting music, bro? Gotta be that Infinity. Sounds like some Infinity activities. Out of here. She's me out of here. There's no more things I need to do. I miss so much overdue. A lot of tears, these nights will disappear. Uh-oh, the popo. What is that? I didn't hear that. Doggy Marine Corps. Alright. Thank you for your, Crayola eating. That is a Marine thing, right? Crayola eating. No. With the red lights, bro. Come on, man. I wanna go fast. I wanna go broom broom. Does anybody else just get the random flight urge when you live something over your head? Just go booga booga. You wait for me. I'm sexy. Man, I'm all good looking. What's up, mama? Don't do it, 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 don't do it. So the paying attention to dumbass, I didn't fucking pay one of them didn't pay attention to the people in front of me. Woo, that would have been bad. I would have just got over, but paying too much attention to them trying to turn. I wasn't paying too much attention to people. That there was people in front of me. Cardo didn't die on me. Anyways, I've reached my destination, so goodbye. Thank you for watching. Yeah.